Page 9. Find a parameterization of the line through these 2 points. That just means find the parametric equations. So I'm going to use the same formula I used on the previous page, which is right here. So x comma y equals vector A plus t times vector AB. So x comma y equals vector A. The components are right here, -2 comma 3. And then for vector AB, it's just x2 minus x1 comma y2 minus y1 from these given values up here. So x2 minus x1, 3 minus -2 is 5. And then y2 minus y1 is 6 minus 3, which is 3. So x equals -2 plus 5t. That's the x coordinate of my parametric equation. And y is the second term in each component. Y equals 3 plus 3t. That's example 3. Example 4. Write a vector equation of the line passing through a given point and is parallel to a given vector. Then write the parametric equation. So to help us write a vector equation, we're going to use this formula. X minus x1, comma y minus y1 equals t times vector A. So if we look at the first example, it's just x minus the only x coordinate, which is 5, and then y minus the only y coordinate, which is 7, equals t times vector A, which is 2 comma 0. So that's a vector equation. And then if we want to write a parametric equation that's with x and y's, I can just set the first part equal to the first part here, and the second part equal to the second part. Y minus 7 equals 0t. So if we want to write the parametric equations, they're in the form x equals. So x equals 2t plus 5, y equals 0t plus 7. And you might say, do we need the 0t? Probably not. But if we're writing this in terms of a parameter, the coefficient in front of the t would be a 0. Next one. First part's the same, x minus x1. X minus -6 is x plus 6. And then y minus y1 is 10 equals t times vector A. And then we can write as a parametric equation. Set the first part equal to the first part, second part equal to the second part, and then solve for x and solve for y. So x equals 3t minus 6, y equals 2t plus 10. C is the same idea. X minus 1, y minus 0 is just y equals t times vector A. And then we can write it in parametric form. X minus 1 equals -2t. And then y equals -4t. And then just solve for x and y. Top one, just add 1. Bottom one's already in good form. Example 5 on page 9. Write the parametric equations. These equations are both in what's called slope-intercept form. And slope-intercept form, we certainly should remember, is y equals mx plus b. So easiest way to write this in parametric form is just always set x equal to t. Always. So then y equals, I'm going to go the original equation. Wherever I see an x, I'll just replace that with a t. So it's just 1/2 t plus 7. And the way to prove that's right is I can use substitution. If you look at the bottom equation, wherever I see a t, another name for t is x. So I get back to where I started with. So this is equivalent to these parametric equations. B is the same idea. Just set x equal to t, and then y is going to equal the same as the original equation, but instead of an x, we need to use the parameter, which is t. And this is your answer. And if you want to go to slope-intercept form, that would be easy. You go to the bottom equation, wherever you see a t, you replace it with x, and it would check out. So these are the notes from chapter 8, page 9.